Hi everyone, it's Glossary Day and today we are going to explore three important terms related to color: tint, shade and tones. Let's start with the term tint. Tint refers to a color that has been lightened by adding white to it. It creates a range of lighter shades of the original color. Tint often evokes the feeling of lightness, softness and delicacy. Now let's move on to the term shade. Shade is opposite of tint. It refers to a color that has been darkened by adding black to it. It creates a range of darker variation of the original color. Shade often evokes the feeling of depth, mystery, and intensity. Finally, let's explore the term tone. Tone refers to a color that has been altered by adding both black and white, or I can say any color plus gray. It results in a range of desaturated colors. Tone often evokes the feeling of subtlety, harmony, and sophistication. So, would you like to showcase any of your art that incorporates tint, shade, or tones?